This is our 110 volt RGB strip light. It has 4 wires inside and comes with a 4-pin sliding connector. The strip light is 165 feet long with cut points at every 20 inches and 30 chips per cut point. The PC board comes in a white jacket for outdoor usage. You can use the strip light with a manual control or a Bluetooth control box and a handheld remote. The Bluetooth control box comes with a phone application you can download to control the strip light straight from your phone. For more information, please visit our website www.brightnexled.com.